day. Getting pretty tight on this trail right here. That ain't gonna scare me. I'm gonna keep on going. That's all the more reason for me to keep going. That guy's just standing there fishing, water up to his knees. Well, he ain't gotta worry about me getting in that water. Shit. Might as well keep going. This here is Apollo Beach Nature Preserve. It's located in Apollo Beach, right adjacent to the Big Bend Power Plant.
I'm getting chased.
I don't know what he just said, but we're gonna keep on walking. Let me get back out so you can see this plant I'm talking about. Okay, yes, you see that? Yeah, those two masts, that's the Big Bend Power Plant, operated by Tico, Tampa Electric Company, giving us all that power, you know, that good shit, because we could use it. Yeah, I didn't see the stop. Idle speed, no wake. So that means boats here can't be traveling that fast. And I don't blame them because this is pretty shallow water right here. Yeah, you see that? That's the plant. Right over there is that Manatee Viewing Center. We'll get more into that later. It sounds so calm, tranquil, and peaceful here. I like that. I'm not really into fishing, but I could definitely see why those come here to do it, because it's a nice peaceful feeling, you know? Give you some time to reflect and just enjoy the little things in life. So what's wrong with that?